declutter. There are two
Kinds of people in the world. Those whose email boxes are full of unread messages, and those with inboxes completely read and up to date. Waking up every day to a crazy full inbox can not only feel overwhelming, but it can actually set the tone for the rest of your day. It's so stressful. Simply sorting through your emails can help your mind stay clear and ready to handle whatever comes your way. Well, digitally anyway. Do you have tons of emails every day, like 100 or so? Don't worry, here are a couple of easy tricks to organize them. Don't wait till the end of the day to filter out your inbox. Instead, at the top of every hour, check your email and sort through it accordingly. This way, it won't get too overwhelming. If you have messages that require 1 or 2 sentence responses, just deal with them now. There's no need to push these aside for later if you can nip them in the bud right away. You'll thank yourself later when you have a pile of emails waiting for your response at the end of the day. If you find emails that require more thoughtful, longer responses, designate a special folder labeled Response Required. Make a habit of emptying out this folder every single day, once or twice a day, to manage your responses. And the decluttering doesn't only apply to emails. You can declutter your social media as well. Okay, you're super popular on Facebook. I get it. But you don't necessarily have to follow as many groups and people on there as you do. Go through all the groups you follow and unfriend those you no longer care to hear from. This will significantly lessen your notifications throughout the day. Doesn't that feel good? 4. Keyboard shortcuts. While little keyboard combos may not seem like that big of a deal, they can be a total life changer. Seriously, try some of these in a day and you'll be pleasantly surprised at how much more time you'll get in your day. While there are countless keyboard shortcuts out there, here are a few that you should absolutely implement into your daily digital duties. If you're working with Microsoft Docs, Ctrl+N creates a new document. Ctrl+O opens a whole new one. Quick, right? Ctrl+S lets you save the document, because accidentally losing a document you forgot to save can really ruin an otherwise good day. Dealing with typos? The struggle is real. Some quick fix key changes are here to save the day. Easily reverse a mistake by combining Ctrl+Z. Crisis averted. Ctrl+Delete lets you erase the word just after the cursor, and Ctrl+Backspace lets you delete the word before the cursor. Total time saver. Okay, but not all of you are working with Word docs all day. For those of you who work primarily online, here are some little key combos that will make navigating the World Wide Web less of a time sucker. Accidentally close a tab while working in Chrome? It happens to the best of us. Don't freak out. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+T and the tab will magically reopen. And if you need to open a shiny new tab, press Ctrl+T, and if you're working on a Mac, sub out the Control key for Command. Spend a lot of time working in Chrome online? Here are some more useful shortcuts to use in Google Chrome. This shortcut comes in handy when a page freezes or won't fully load correctly. On a Mac, click Command+R. On a PC, click Ctrl+R. This will quickly reload the current page. If you're reading through something online and need to find a certain word, this trick prevents you from going cross-eyed while looking for it. Simply hold down Command+F if you're on a Mac. On a PC, you'll get the same search bar by holding down Ctrl+F. Have you ever come across a page and wanted to save it for later? Instead of relying on your memory, which almost never works after a long day of internet surfing, you can bookmark it. Here's the quick way to do it. If you're on a Mac, hold down Command+D, and on a PC, press Ctrl+D. Saved! Need to find something you downloaded in a flash? On a Mac, holding down the Command+Shift+J keys will take you to a page with all your past downloads, complete with dates. If you're on a PC, you can get the same page by pressing Ctrl+J. 3. Google like a pro. Google is the most used search engine in the world, and there are tons of shortcuts you can use while using the search engine that can make your searches way more productive, saving you tons of time. If you're looking for song lyrics or quotes, simply put quotation marks around whatever you're looking for, like, quote, Lucy in the sky with diamonds, end quote, or something like that. If you want to exclude a word from your search to simplify things, just put a dash in front of it. Looking for a word that sounds like another word? Using a tilde symbol like this, it tells Google to search for a synonym for a word. If you're looking for a site that relates to a site you already know, put related in the search box before the site you're referring to. For example, if you're looking for a helpful wedding website that is similar to theknot.com, you'd type related:theknot.com. Just think of all the time you'll save with these Google search tricks. You could bake a cake in that time. Well, that is if you want to bake a cake. I don't know. Do whatever you want. 2. Becoming a typing wizard. One obvious way to become more productive while using the computer is to type faster. But while you type on a keyboard every single day, it's still challenging to improve your average typing speed. One fun trick to try? Write the keys on your hands. While this is an easy trick that many middle schoolers are taught to learn to type fast and accurately, it still rings true for experienced adults as well. This is how it works. Write each letter and symbol on the finger that is designated to type it. For example, on the pinky of your left hand, write the letters Q, A, and Z. On the ring finger, W, S, and X. On the middle finger, E, D, and C, and so on. Just like you see in the picture. Over time, your brain will remember these patterns and your fingers will automatically type these letters. You'll be surprised at how much faster you begin to type. Not to mention the fact that your typos will practically become non-existent. Just don't be surprised if your keyboard starts smoking because you're typing so darn fast. 1. Stay focused. While all these key tricks and tips are fantastic time savers, it's important to also factor in time management to your daily routine. That means eliminating distractions. The internet is awesome, but with all that awesomeness comes an endless array of distractions that keep you from staying on track while working. With online shopping, hilarious videos, and social media at your fingertips, it may take you twice as much time to get through a work assignment than it would without these super fun distractions. If you can't discipline yourself to stay off these time-sucking sites, there are apps you can download to help monitor your time spent on them. These programs can actually give you a set time to go on fun sites so you can promptly return to whatever work you need to complete. Search online to see which time monitoring program would be best for you. And if you decide to take on the task of monitoring yourself, simple things like turning off your messages on your computer or putting your phone on airplane mode can keep you focused on what you need to do. But don't deprive yourself. Allow yourself small breaks now and then to check your messages or to watch a fun, but short, video online. This gives your brain a break so that it is better able to focus when it needs to. We're only human after all. Which of these tricks helped you be more productive while using the computer? Don't be shy. Tell us about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe.